This video tutorial helps you to develop proficiencies using Internet Explorer. It focuses on finding and utilizing non-copyrighted images. When determining whether or not you can safely use a copyrighted image, you need to determine what your intended purpose is. If you are using it in any way to benefit monetarily, it is illegal. If you are using images to enhance student learning, the intended purpose is different from its original purpose, you're adding additional information or educational value to the image, and you stay within the confines of the amount of imagery being used, you can feel relatively confident that the use will fall under fair use policy. However, there are times when you might need to find images that are non-copyrighted. For example, inserting images into your personal website, creating pamphlets or brochures, or in essence, creating anything that you're going to share for non-instructional purposes. The rest of this tutorial will teach you how to locate and utilize non-copyrighted images on the Internet. After launching Internet Explorer, open a new tab and go to Google. Type in www.google.com in the URL or web address window. Click on Images in the black menu ribbon and type in the topic of your image search. I'm going to type in tree frogs. You'll notice several images are displayed as a result. Click on the settings icon and advanced search. Scroll down to the bottom where you see usage rights. Click on the drop-down arrow and change that to say free to use or share. Click on the blue advanced search and you'll notice that your search results change. At this point, you're ready to utilize your images. Once an image is found that you want to utilize, you have several options, 5 of which we will discuss here. Saving a picture, copying and pasting a picture, snipping the picture, emailing the picture, and printing the picture. In order to save, copy, email, or print the picture, all you have to do is simply place your mouse over the picture. Right-click on the image and this pop-up menu will automatically appear. Save picture, email picture, print picture, and copy. Simply select the option you want. Clicking on Save Picture As will automatically take you to your folders in Windows Explorer. Locate the folder or create a folder you want to save the image in. Name the image and save it. Various sizes of the image can be saved. For example, the one that we're looking at now tells us in the lower left-hand corner that it's a 1626 by 1080 pixel picture. If I left-click on the image, it will open up and I can go to more sizes, which will give me 2 additional sizes. I can right-click and save those images in a different size. I can go back and left-click on the original picture and that will collapse everything back to what I was originally looking at. To email the picture, same thing. Right-click on the image, select Email Picture. You want to allow, and now, again, select the size of the image. Typically, the smaller size you select, the easier it will be for your browser to attach it and send it to your recipient. Click Attach. Type in the name of your recipient, and you can type in a message if need be. And click Send. In order to copy a picture, simply right-click on the image and copy. You can now take that into any Microsoft Office application and paste it in by either clicking Control-V on your keyboard or right-clicking your mouse and selecting Paste. Either option works. Another option is to use your Snipping Tool. Maybe you want something on the screen that's a little bit more than just the image. The snipping tool allows you to copy any portion of your screen. You can also then annotate, save, and share the image. If you've never used the snipping tool, click on your Start button, All Programs, Accessories, and you'll find it here. Once you use it, you'll find that you always use it, so I strongly encourage you to pin it to your taskbar. If you right-click on it, you'll find an option that says Pin to your taskbar. Mine is already pinned down here because I use it all the time, so my option says Unpin. The snipping tool looks like this little scissors icon, and clicking on it opens up this pop-up menu. Clicking on the down arrow shows us the 4 different types of snips that we can create. A freeform snip allows us to create the shape of the snip that we want. A rectangular snip is exactly what it says it is, and you can see here that our screen has gone hazy and we have a crosshairs present on the screen. Simply position the crosshairs where you want your snip to begin, click your mouse, and drag it down and to the right to get whatever portion of the screen you want. If it's just that image, then highlight just that image. When you let go of the mouse, you'll notice that your image appears automatically within this pop-up menu. You can now choose to annotate using the pen or highlighter. You can email it, you can copy it, or save it using any of these visual icons. You can also save or send from the File option, copy from the Edit option, or annotate using the pen, highlighter, and eraser from the Tools option. If you choose to save, it'll take you automatically to your file folders in Windows Explorer. And I'm going to cancel because I'm not going to use it. In order to print a picture, same as before, right-click on the image, find your Print Picture option, select your preferences if there are any. That's where you're going to select your preferences. And when you're ready, click Print. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to waste the paper. And that is the end of your video tutorial. If you have any questions, as always, please contact Teresa Payne at 7024 or myself, Renee Stroh McClurg, at 5407.